Hey everyone, I'm Kelsey from Wearable Whisperer, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Fitbit Inspire HR. Before we start, a pro tip is that you don't need any knife or scissors to unbox the Fitbit Inspire HR. You'll want to start on the back side, and toward the bottom you should see a plastic tab with the Fitbit logo. If you slide your finger under that logo, you should be able to pull the logo down and the plastic with it. This reveals a little half circle that you can place your thumb and pull down. Pull these little flaps out, turn it back over, and then pull the entire inner box out with this little tab. So inside we have the Fitbit Inspire HR. We're told to set up, you have to download the Fitbit app. If you need help setting up, I've made a video for this, so check that out in the comments below. And if you pull on this little teal section, you'll see in this little inner component, we have the large size band, the charger, and the safety instructions and limited warranty in several languages. So this is everything that comes inside the Fitbit Inspire HR box. So let's go ahead and take the protective wrapping off of our Inspire HR's display. You should see a little tab with the Fitbit logo. Pull that off. And we have a little smiley face. And we are told go to www.fitbit.com/setup. So we have a nice touch screen, a physical button on the left, and you can see there is a charging port and a heart rate sensor on the back. And this band actually feels really nice and soft. I really like the band actually, it's pretty flexible. And we have a standard buckle and keeper band design. So to take it off, you have to pull this part off and unclip this, and there we go. I actually really like this band. So here's a little clearer shot of the back. This is super lightweight also. We can go ahead and try this on. Feels very nice. And just give an idea of the screen. But if the small size happens to not fit you, or you want to change your band out for a different color or material, the Fitbit Inspire HR looks to have a pin design system for changing bands. So you'll want to push the pin away from its socket. So I'm going to push up in this case. And then it comes out pretty easily. Putting it back in, I think you want to align this outer pin first. Yep, and then you have to push it back, and then it's in. So that design is actually easier than the Versa. And as usual, give a little tug, make sure it's on. So that's how you put on your large strap. Okay, so as far as charging goes, this looks to be yet another proprietary Fitbit charging cable. And you can take this sticker off. And this cable is quite short. It's only about 6 inches long. That might be interesting. So you'll see on one side we have a typical USB Type A, and this is the side that connects to the back of your Fitbit tracker. We have these two charging pins, and it is magnetic, so you'll want to find the pins on the back of your tracker and align them up with the charging pins on the charging cable. And then if you have it on correctly, you should be able to hold the bands and the charging cable will still stay connected. For additional information about the Fitbit Inspire HR, including a full list of its features, please visit wearablewhisperer.com/FitbitInspireHR or check out the links in the description below. This is just the first of several videos I'll be making about the Fitbit Inspire HR, including how to set it up, how it compares to other similar Fitbits, and my full review. If you have any questions about the Fitbit Inspire HR, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, if you like this video, please like it by giving it a thumbs up below. And consider subscribing if you want to see more wearable reviews, comparisons, and how-to videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.